Welcome to the CPHS Choir. We are so excited to have you with us for another incredible year of making music together.
Hey, I'm Mrs. Holt. I absolutely love choir. This is my 20th year teaching, and I'm thrilled to be back at CPHS. On a personal note, I have two boys, Davis and Jackson, and my husband, Jeff.
Hi, I'm Miss Nathan. This is my 4th year teaching. I'm 26 years old and a proud graduate of the University of Texas at Austin. I share my home with two cats, Walnut and Bluebeard.
For all important information, please check the choir website at www.cphschoir.com. This is where you'll find everything you need regarding charms, calendars, and general email communication. To stay updated with our latest news, make sure you join our Remind. You can text the specific code for your class to 81010 or download the app. This is our approved method for mobile communication. We also use Google Classroom to organize our coursework. Please make sure you join the correct classroom for your specific section using the codes provided on this screen. For those in AP Music Theory, please note that we use Google Classroom, Site Reading Factory, and AP College Board. You'll be expected to complete written work and upload it regularly to ensure your success. Please mark your calendars with these major concert dates. From our fall concert to our UIL contests and encore performance, we have a busy and exciting year ahead of us.
Beyond our major concerts, we have many other important events on our schedule, ranging from auditions and coffee houses to our annual banquet. Most of these events are optional for students. Stay organized and keep these dates in mind.
We are also planning some fantastic trips this year. We have the San Antonio caroling trip in December and our spring trip to Port Aransas. Please review the details and costs for each. A quick reminder that all choir registration paperwork is due this Friday. This includes Rank 1 forms, choir fees, and voice lesson registration. Visit our website for the full instructions. For those interested in the All-State Choir, there are 4 rounds of auditions starting in September. This is a great opportunity for college scholarships and working with world-class conductors. Regarding uniforms, we provide the dress for treble ensembles. You are responsible for providing your own dress shoes, keeping in mind that no heels are allowed, and black pantyhose. For tenor/bass uniforms, the program provides the jacket, pants, and tie. Students will need to provide their own black dress shoes, black socks, and a black dress shirt. Finally, we offer private voice lessons during class time or after school. Our incredible instructors, Kate Winchester, Dr. Jihi Han, and Emma Lee, bring a wealth of experience to help you grow as a vocalist. Remember, every voice matters. Use the talents you possess, because the woods would be very silent if no birds sang except those that sang best. We are looking forward to a wonderful year together.